It's something like a dream, oh. When the magic in your skin, they mesmerize everyone that come around you. You are the sun and emotion too. It's something like a fantasy, oh. Probably would think it was a lie. If nobody say I see you, I wouldn't know that it's true, yeah. You see that fire in all your eyes. You see that melody in all your life, it dey shock me. Oh, me love you.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. His body baby, oh. His body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah.
Guys, this hair is so full, like it is so full, and I am loving the coils. Like this is so full. I love my curly hair to be full, even if my straight hair is not full, but at least curly hair, please be full. Okay, so this one is really full and I'm loving it. Where is my bead? Come on, you don't have to hide, stay here. Everybody have to see you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'm going to be installing and styling this wig, and this wig was sent to me by LAVYHAIR.com. So the hair that I'm wearing is a jerry coil, 22 inches. The size of the wig cap is a medium. The color is a color 1B. And what else? They also gave me a 10% discount code for you guys in case you're ordering anything on their website. So I'm going to leave the discount code, every details about this hair in my description box below in case you're interested. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. So it came in a bag like this, and it also came with a wig cap, and now we have the wig now. So I'm just going to cover it up with this cap. Try to make it as flat as possible. So this one is too dark for my skin tone, so I'm going to apply this one on top of this. So this one is closer to my skin tone. Yep. So this is not bad. Okay. The wig did not come with baby hair, so I have to create my own baby hair, and it's not pre-plucked, so I'll have to pluck it a little because right now it's looking so dense, but the hair is full. Goodness, this is so much volume. There's so much volume, just how I like my curly hair to be. I'm going to spray some liquid conditioner on the hair to bring back the coils because I manipulated it while I was plucking the way you back it up, the way you busting at the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you. So the wig cap does have a lace at the back in case you want to tie your hair up in a bun or in a ponytail. It also comes with 4 hooks, one on top, 2 at the side, and 1 at the back. I feel like the stocking cap is a bit lighter than my skin, so I'm going to be applying my powder foundation. I'm also going to be applying it on the lace as well. But I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. So I'm going to be cutting out this small piece of lace at the back. Say she moving to the baseline.
The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it now.
So right now is a lot much better. Just going to tie this up so I can have access to the hair. So right now I'm just going to position the hair where I want it to be. So this is a 70% volume rubbing alcohol. I'm going to use it to clean. I'm going to use it to clean the parts where I'll be placing my wig. I'll be using the Got to Be glue spray to hold down the wig, and I'm starting from the middle and I'll work my way through.
Original Batman.
It's features.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man and they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to fail. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man and they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to fail. Fire can't cool me up on fire. Original Batman. African style, we hit the dance like Bob Marley style. You understand me, no made in Japan. We changing style with the girl system warning.
I'm going to use a pair of scissors to cut out this part of the lace, but I'm gonna try.
Want me always like I mean a bad man they want to say I mean a bad man they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man and they want to say
So right now I'm going to use an eyebrow razor to cut out the rest of the lace.
It's features.
Original Batman.
It's features.
Original.
So right now I'm going to go back and spray more of the Got to Be spray in front of my hairline.
I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga.
So while I wait for that to dry, I'm just going to spray some more conditioner on the hair. Take out the rubber band. This hair is so full, guys, like it is so full, and I haven't washed this hair yet. I just want to style it first. The hair didn't come with any type of weird smell at all, so I will be washing it after I take it down. So right now I'm going to take down the hair tie. So right now I'm going to take my powder foundation, the same one that I used to tint the lace. I'm going to use it to blend the, what is it called? I'm going to use it to blend my hairline so it matches with my scalp.
Any man let me looking at the thing so. Girl your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a boss in a the thing so. Girl up on me yard, see me on me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Yeah, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb look like them are watching. They are pretty up bad man too. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's fake kills.
Original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better.
So guys, I'm back. I just finished doing my makeup.
Oh my God, me a done. Me a them, me a what I done. Tell them okay, what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me a let them hear what I want. Say the girl don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try pull me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I held them. Bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Low, I tell them. Coming on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. Certain things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Certain things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Let go. Original bad man. And me get this song for them. Let go. Original bad man. His body baby.
It's fake kills.
Standard.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the groove. Dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the TV. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Check it raw well okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, if you hate me when you see me they want to know. Top of me in the street to myself, will they make them? They got to go. Top of me in the bed, I'ma calm down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wọ́n fẹ́ já mi láyà, wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ méjì. But my music fire, it dey drive them crazy. I want them, you won't bore me. For my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. on me radio. Every day they play me on me radio.
So guys, this is the final result, and I am super excited about the way everything turned out, from the beads to the stones to the half up half down hairstyle. I'm just loving everything about this hair. The volume, like this hair does have volume. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.